This Violence Against Women Act, it really becomes pertinent for immigrants because it was incorporated into the Immigration and Nationality Act. 4.8 million women are deemed to suffer intimate partner violence. Also very interesting, because we deal with a lot of male clients at our office. 1 in 10 men actually experience domestic violence, according to the Center for Disease Control. And so there are a lot of people who are in relationships that are abusive, and they feel compelled to stay in that relationship. And the Violence Against Women Act actually liberated them. It allowed them to be able to say, I can do this on my own. I can self-petition to be able to get a green card because either A, I'm married to someone who is abusive, who is a green card holder or US citizen, so I'm in an abusive relationship. You know, if you are a parent and your child is abusing you and that child is a US citizen, you also can basically petition for yourself. You're not obligated to stay in that relationship. You can self-petition and do it on your own. And also, if you are a child under the age of 21, and you are also in an abusive relationship, just like we were talking about, or maybe your parents are basically being abused, you can self-petition or be under your parents' petition. I think the key for why it's so pertinent for immigrants, because so many people come into my office sometimes are like, I don't want him or her to know. I'm afraid if they know that they're gonna come back at me. It is completely private. They don't reach out to the abuser in regards to immigration. They basically keep it. Even if I try to get information or I try to access information as an attorney, it's very hard. They keep it as private as possible because they understand what can happen to someone who is abused if the abuser found out. Mail doesn't have to go to the house. A lot of times they will come to my office. They don't send any kind of correspondence because they understand, God forbid, if the abuser finds out, what can happen. So it liberates a lot of immigrants to be able to take control back of their life and to be able to do that. It's the first step, because keep in mind, the pattern, the practice and pattern of abusers is they want that person to feel like they don't have control. They try to basically limit their contact with their family and friends. That's the abuser. They try to basically show the person like you're nothing. And so as a result, when you're able to do this on your own, you start to feel good about yourself. You're like, you know what, I'm doing something for me and my family, and I don't need this abuser. And it's really, I feel like, a first step in that journey towards being able to feel good about yourself.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.